Hello everyone. In this lesson we are going to talk about two useful keywords, break and continue. Generally those keywords are related with loops, but sometimes can be found in some other contexts. But today we are going to focus on loop context only. So let's start. These keywords are used to help control the loops. So continue simply skips an iteration in the loop if a specified condition occurs, and the loop continues next iteration, of course. But break exits from the loop if a specified condition occurs. It simply, jumps out from the loop. Okay, so let's see examples. Okay, first of all, let's prepare a simple loop, for loop. Something like this. Let's print it out iterations. Okay, let's check this out. Okay, that's fine. Okay, and now let's try to apply continue keywords. Let's prepare if statement, something simple like I equal 4. Simple statement. Something like this, and of course continue keyword. Okay, please notice that here we've got iteration number 4. Okay, so I run it out, and as you see, the iteration number 4 has been omitted. And this is how the continue keyword works. Just skips the certain iteration and continue the execution of the loop. And that's really simple. Okay, maybe it would be good to put here some statement. Let's say I'm out of the loop. Let's run it again. Okay, we've got it here. As you see, the whole program works. And now let's maybe check how the break keyword works. So let's change it here, break, and also here, and run it out. Okay, as you see, when the condition is true, the break escape from the loop and the rest of the code is executed like here. I'm out of the loop. So this is how the continue and break keywords work. So that's pretty simple, I guess.